Okay, today it's Wednesday, February 2nd or 2nd February. Yesterday I didn't have the chance to work on this engine. The only thing what I did, I installed the oil pan, the oil pickup tube, oil level sensor, the small oil pan that has down over there, NOx sensors, okay, and the crankshaft position sensor. Now, today, cylinder heads, ARP studs, okay. I have the other cylinder head here. When it comes to time, I'm gonna open it. Let's move on to put the cylinder heads. Okay, now cylinder heads back on, torque down, and I have to go out. I have to put the check valves, and I have to put also the pins for the guides, and continue with hydraulic lifters, the seals, camshafts, cam adjusters, you know, the same thing, but not now. I hope that we're gonna be able to do it today. Okay, hydraulic lifters, seals, camshafts, cam adjusters, timing chain tensioner, the check valve already installed, cover. Now, clean with a brake cleaner the surface where we're gonna apply sealant, close back. One cigarette because I'm in and out. I'm happy that I managed to put the cylinder heads today. Okay, the cover's back. Cam adjusters, first verify that I'm okay with the timing. You can double check the timing, I've said that before at 53 degrees. Double checking that's okay, and then torquing down for final the cam adjusters. And moving on, I have to go outside. We're gonna see. If suddenly stop the video, don't wonder why. That's it for today. I'm gonna cover it now because I didn't put the fuel injectors. Continue tomorrow. I have no clue what kind of video I make because I'm not here. I'm out in, you know. So yeah, we're gonna see that again at the end. I have the intake manifold, fuel injectors, fuel lines, wiring harness, alternator AC compressor, thermostat, belt. What else did I forget? I have also the coolant temperature sensor back. I didn't put it. Yeah, but we're gonna see that again. That's it for now. Thank you.